Hello everyone, Ranjitha here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a fun project on how to make flowers using the envelope punch board. These are very quick and easy to make, and you can use them in card making and your scrapbooking layouts as well. Before we move on further, please subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. Firstly, I am taking pieces of cardstock that measure 2 inches by 2 inches. I am placing them on my envelope punch board and lining them at 1 inch mark and punching. I am repeating this step by rotating it 90 degrees and I am punching on all the 4 sides. Every time I will line it up with the 1 inch mark and punch it. I am repeating the same thing with the green paper as well. This also measures 2 inches by 2 inches. So every time I am punching it, I am lining it with a 1 inch mark and punching it, rotating it, and then again lining it with 1 inch mark. I am curling up the petals. You can do this with the back of a brush or a pen, making sure I am not creasing them but just slightly curling them. You can add as many layers of petals you want depending on how full you want your flower to be. Since I am using cardstock, my flower is quite thick, so I am using 2 layers of red and 1 layer of green. I am now sticking up the petals together. I am making sure the petals don't overlap each other and placing one petal in between the other. Once I am done sticking up the petals, I am marking the center of the flowers and piercing a hole with a sharp piercing tool, and then I will be inserting a brad. It helps me in holding the flower together and also serves as the center of the flower. That's it, my flowers are almost ready. This is a very quick and easy way of using your envelope punch board to make pretty flowers. You can experiment by laying different colors of paper for different petals. You can also vary the size of the petals. You can have larger pieces of paper at the base and smaller pieces of petals in the middle. I mainly use them in card making. here are your flowers. You can see the close-ups of the video here, where I use these flowers in making a pretty Christmas card. I hope this was of some inspiration to you, and you will definitely give it a try. Thank you so much for stopping by. Also, please subscribe to my channel so you can see more of such craft and card making videos, and do follow me on my social media where I share my projects. Thank you.